So there's two screws you have to take off, two bolts. This one right here is an 8mm. This one is a 10mm. And it was already loose. Then you just pull that out. Then you figure out which one is the brake light. Not that one. You want to take the whole light off to make it easier, you can unplug it like that. And I believe it's this one down here. Clearly you can tell that is a burnt out light bulb. This is the new bulb, 4157. Let's pull this out, replace it, and that's why you want to wear gloves so you don't get your finger oils on the bulb. Okay. Plug it in like that. Put it back in the housing. Line up the pins with the corresponding holes. Give it a little twist. Plug it back in. Come over here. This pin goes in that hole and this little pin goes in that hole. And then you put the screws back in. Okay, go ahead and start it and I'll verify. Do the blinker. Do the brake.